Hi, this is Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks, and we're in the classroom with all these amazing people that are our master's class here in Atlanta learning the power of the paintbrush. And my very, very favorite brush stroke that I love to teach and I love to do at the chair at my salon is skimming. And what skimming does is it's really great for reds, baby lights, correcting color. It's wonderful for putting pepper in the salt, but most importantly, what I love about skimming is it's an exfoliator to the hair. Skimming is only going to lift about 2 to 3 levels, depending on the natural level of your guest. And its purpose is like skimming a rock on the lake. If you throw a rock, it just skims across the surface and basically peels back old hair color from maybe banding, or perhaps you have a red that has gotten more browned out that you want to bring some vibrancy back to. So I love to use skimming for that reason. So first, I apply my lightener to my paddle, making sure my lightener is nice and smooth. Then I take my loader brush because I want to skim with a bigger brush in order to create an easy bounce onto the hair. I'm going to flatten that product out on my brush so that it looks more like that. Unlike when I'm painting a brochet or a crochet piece and I'm adding a dome. When I hold my section, you can see that my section is going to be more of a straight section versus a diagonal back or a diagonal forward. Then the goal is that my arm is going to move in a circular motion, almost like I'm bouncing off the water or off the trampoline, keeping that lightener just light on the top of the surface. So again, I'm going to hold this here and I'm going to bounce into that surface, just doing nice rounded motions. And I keep my brush nice and dry. I don't add more product. Depending on if I have a band or depending on how close to the scalp that I want to be, I'm now just doing a circular motion. So that circular motion is allowing me to create that baby light within the hair and not going through the hair into the bottom. So what I love about skimming is it's an artist's tool to help you correct things that might have gone wrong. It's wonderful for people who might have a young girl who doesn't want lines in her highlights and she just wants to be lighter and brighter. Skimming is also what I call the sparkle to a hairline when hairlines go darker. And I've basically only done it right here at the top. I could certainly go through all the way to the bottom. But why I've done it here at the top is so that I can separate this hair out and actually show you what this baby light looks like. So once I've done that skimming technique, this hair now becomes light, like little tiny baby light highlights. Why that's important is it's only going to lift 2 to 3 levels on a darker base color of hair, but on a level 8 or 9, it will go the distance for you, giving you an overall effect of incredible baby lights all over the hair. And again, using it for your reds. And why are we leaving brunettes out of the picture? Sometimes brunettes love a differentiation of tone and a variation of tone. So this is a wonderful way to do that. In addition, when you do have your reds or your base colors on, try this skimming technique over the top of your color and all the way down. Then shampoo it out so that you can glaze or double dip your reds. I promise you, this is the artist tool that you can have in your back pocket for better coloring and brighter results. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.